Welcome back to Headlight. This is a horror game I've been making based on David Wells' 7-Day Game Challenge. Let me show you what I've been up to. Last time I made a scene with grass and props, and now I wanted a border to prevent the player from just running off the edge of the map into a bottomless void. So I started thinking about placing some trees in this kind of rounded square shape. I tried to make a script to automate this border because I didn't want to place literally 2,000 plus trees by hand. But what I didn't realize is just how much math this would require. And I can't possibly get into it now, but I derived this hefty formula to automate the tree placement. Okay, well, it only worked for this part, good enough. And then, about 5 years ago, in high school, I saw this post on Reddit, and for some reason, I thought it would be a good idea to add some hands reaching out through these trees. Excellent. So, what else have I done? Oh, I don't know, maybe adding a pathway system to my grass using textures, creating a billboard LOD for my trees, adding a freaking second moon to the sky based on this picture from my comic, and all of this while trying to juggle performance and having to sacrifice high fidelity for just literally any form of performance at all. Oh, and I don't know, completely adding the AI for the bear enemies so they hunt you down in the dark with these insane lights and imposing presence. Currently, the literal gameplay consists of the player running around location to location, doing little puzzles and tasks. All the while, the bears are chasing the player, and it's a mix of tense stealth gameplay and fast-paced frantic chase sequences. At the end of the game, the player activates switches from a room to activate a beacon that just shoots up into the sky. I made this beacon by layering really lazy drawings, and I'm actually surprised it turned out looking so nice. There's not a lot more I need in terms of the core gameplay, so from here it's adding a lot of neat features and novel mechanics. There is a secondary final section after the player reaches the beacon, but I'm currently polishing up this first level. And then I messed around with the post-processing to make it look nice and pretty. And finally I added some signposts to direct the player since the map is a little bit thick. But sometimes they're wrong and they change directions and I don't know, maybe I messed up the code.